how to share your location on iPhone. So first of all, get to your settings, and then from here, what you're gonna do is scroll down until you see the option of privacy and security. Tap on it, and then tap on location services. After doing that, tap on share my location. Then in here, you can see share my location is right here. Just like this, make sure it is enabled. So if you want to share your location, then what you're gonna do is go back and then open your Find My application. After opening the application, then you'll get to see the option of Start Sharing Location. So you have to make sure that you are on the People page, just like this. Tap on this icon, and then we'll get to this page. Tap on Start Sharing Location. And then in here, you can now search for the specific person that you want to send the location to. So for example, I have selected this particular person. Now all you have to do is simply tap on Send, and just like this, you'll be able to share your location on your iPhone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.